家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, it's time for another round of Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。
就是我每日，你平常是有試踩嗎？
試踩，我每天上班都試踩。試踩 I know is to drive. So Alice is asking, do I drive? And I do. How about let's teach you driving around the island, okay? How do you say these things? 開車 to drive.
試踩。
試踩 that's to drive. 那教大家我要開車去環島 I'm gonna drive around the island.
我愛試踩去環島。
我愛試踩去環島。OK， 環島就是環島咯。OK, that means to circle around the island. How about that? 開車旅遊比較自由嘛。There's more freedom when driving by car.
試踩旅行較自由。
試踩旅行較自由。
較自由。
不是吃油哦，是自由。
對，自由。
Okay, that means more freedom. 自由。Let's teach you all these phrases again. To drive, 開車。試踩 around the island, 環島。環島 And then finally, freedom, 自由。自由 And there you have it. It's Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
單字say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.